So in this video we're gonna finish up the block, or not finish it entirely, but it's the last feature we're gonna add, which is the comment opportunity. So we're gonna go in and first of all serve this side. Then we're gonna go in and say PHP artisan make controller comment controller and put a semicolon for a new comment, and we're gonna say PHP artisan make model comment migration. Okay, great. So now we're gonna go inside our migration file folder, and inside here we're gonna find this one. So we're gonna have a table with the integer of user ID, and then we're also gonna have one called post ID. And then what we're gonna use this for is we're gonna grab the user name, username, whatever you use, put it inside as the name as in the blog post, and then we're going to use the post ID to filter out all other that's not common in this one, so we can comment on a specific post and it's not like a comment to every post, so it will be shown on every post. And then the last thing we're going to have in here is a table string with content, where we put in the content for the blog post, of course. And that's actually it. We don't need anything else in here to make this running. So what we can do now is we can go inside our view, and then inside blog index.plate.php we can go in here, and after all of this is created here, so let's see, we have just after here we can say comment section, which we're then going to make a class for later on, and then in here we can say form, and then we can simply put the route later on. And then we also need to have a QuickTime editor, which we're gonna add in the next video. So again, this is gonna be a couple of videos because we need to add in the QuickTime editor customizes for this specific needs, and then we are gonna, because we are not gonna have all the different kind of possibilities in the world, we're only gonna have the ability to make things bold, add in a link, and underline, italic, and put in code in the post, so if someone has an error they can easily highlight that error so it's readable for the other users. So that's what we're gonna do, nothing else. The users shouldn't be able to put in pictures and all of that, so it will be really messy in that. So we are gonna customize that to our need just after we have done the backend. We are gonna do very few things. We're gonna do validation, and we're gonna have the user ID and the blog post ID, which we're gonna submit into the database, and the content, of course. And we can just add the CSI field now. So what we can just do now is just to make sure that this is actually working. So if we go in here now, we should in here see the comment section with the token there. Great. So we already have that under the control now. So we have the CSI field added, and then we can just maybe write a H3 here, comment. And we can maybe also put in some styling here, so we can just go in and create the class in the CSS, and then we can work on that later on. So in the comment section, we are gonna have a background color of white, and then the rest of it we can focus on in the next couple of videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next one.